Hello guys, today the spotlights are being installed. So all the wiring again is passed from back here till here. It came out from this side. I left this yellow one open for the amber light. I don't know how to give an extra switch for now. I will figure it out afterwards. So this one is coming from here. It's back in here. I think this was the right time to make a video too. I just finished it, so you can see the light, how much light does it give us. And now we will wait for that light to get off so that we can exactly see how much light does it give us. Just wait for a few seconds. So this much light is there. You can see, I don't know how far it goes though, but with the headlights on we get this much difference. That's nice. I don't have covers for this one, so technically we should be covering this while we are driving. If any questions you can ask me afterwards. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share the video.